As a fellow individual that falls asleep and wakes up every day, there can be those times when you know in your heart of hearts that you're going to have a rough or challenging morning. This video is going to show you some actions you can take to ensure having a better morning, overall, leading you to having even greater days. What you can do the night before and the morning thereof to feel your best mentally and physically. Number 1, I would like you to establish a consistent sleep schedule. This may take some getting used to, but eventually your body will catch on to the trend. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, weekends included. It helps to regulate your body's internal clock and makes it easier to wake up in the morning. For some folks, waking up wouldn't be so much of a problem if it was easier to go to sleep. Which leads me to the next tip. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This can involve anything from reading a book, listening to relaxing music, doing any calming activity. Wind yourself down and give your body the signals that the time to go to sleep is approaching. Make your sleeping environment comfortable. Being in a cluttered environment at times can lead to a cluttered mind. When your space feels neat and clean, you in turn will feel neat and clean. Use bedding and pillows that's to your preferred comfort. Rather you have a bed full of pillows or minimal, whatever suits your style. Keep your bedroom cool, dark and quiet. Let your mind free and focus on your breathing. Also, number 3, limit your screen time before bed. The blue light emitted from phones, tablets and computers can suppress the production of melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that helps to regulate sleep. So, try to avoid screens for at least an hour before you're ready to go to bed. When you start your morning off, try skipping on checking your social media, emails and news. For this reason though, amongst your first activities to do in the morning, keep your mind clear of yesterday's troubles or events you may have missed. Every morning you wake gives you the chance to start with a clean slate. To have the best morning, do something that's fulfilling to yourself. Be selfish. Rather you have 5 minutes or an hour. Do an activity that does just enough to wake you up and has a lasting effect of rejuvenation. I suggest practicing a relaxation technique. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditating, and yoga can help calm your mind and body before bed and the start of your morning. If you find this video useful and would like to catch some more of my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on anything you like to do to have your best mornings. Thank you, and see you in the next one.